Here's a way you can test tube filaments at home. It's pretty easy to do. Here I have an 8165 iMac vacuum tube under power from a modified microwave transformer. What I do is I hacksaw off the secondary and then rewind a new lower voltage high current secondary using at least AWG12 stranded. And I've got my Fluke 12 hooked up for voltage monitoring purposes, and you can fine tune the voltage with a variac. Now I also tested an 813 in a similar manner, but in this case I've got the Fluke 30 amp clamp hooked up to show around one side of the jumper. I've got an 813 vacuum tube here with a filament under test, and again the Fluke 12 on the input voltage, monitoring the voltage. So same transformer, a little bit higher on the variac, or add a few more turns to the secondary, and you can bring it up to voltage. See if I've got yeah, and here's an 833A prior to building my Tesla coil under test in a similar manner. What else do we have here? Here's a 4150A with a metal heatsink. So the tube's actually over 50% metal. Very interesting. It's got around a 6-volt filament voltage. So still got these little babies. Don't think anyone's ever made a Tesla coil and switched it with one of these. It would be interesting, and maybe someday when I get time I'll do that.